Welcome back. We are still moving on with more examples of proving trigonometric identities where we apply the use of the factor formula. So, coming to example 3, they show that cos of A all over 1 plus sin A equals cot into A by 2 plus 45. Hence, solve the equation and solve the equation. Cos A all over 1 plus sin A equals a half for 0 degrees less or equal to A less or equal to 360 degrees. Solution. When they show, strictly start from the left hand side. And you see that is the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So our left hand side is containing cos of A all over 1 plus sin A. So this one is the same as cos A plus a 0, or I can say plus cos of 0. Can say maybe plus a 0 all over, this is the same as sin A plus 1. If I want to put in terms of cos, this is the same as cos A plus cos of 90 all over sin A plus sine of 90. Cos of 90 is the same as 0 and sine of 90 is the same as 1. So you can see they are the same name of cos plus cos, sine plus sine. Then we apply our factor formula of cos plus cos. Recall that cos P plus cos Q was the same as 2 cos of P plus Q by 2. Again, cos of P minus Q by 2. Again, sin P plus sin Q was the same as 2 sin of P plus Q by 2. Again, cos of P minus Q by 2. So, can we apply these stuffs? I've got cos of A plus cos of 90 all over sine of A plus sine of 90 is the same as, where there is cos plus cos, we are going to apply the one of plus. So this is the same as 2 cos A plus 90 out of 2. Again, cos of A minus 90 out of 2 all over. We are going now to apply the factor formula of sine A plus sine of 90. Sine plus sine, we said is 2 sine cos, which becomes 2 sine A plus 90 by 2 cos of A minus 90 by 2. So what does it become? By mere seeing, cos of A minus 90 by 2 is the same. So this one disappears. So we are going to remain with 2 cos A plus 90 by 2 all over 2 sine of A plus 90 by 2. 2 goes. We remain with cos over sine is the same as cot of A plus 90 by 2. Then a 2 divides every number inside. So this becomes cot of A by out of 2 plus 90 out of 2, which becomes cot A by 2 plus 90 divided by 2, we are getting 45 as required. Now they said, hence, solve the question. When a question says hence, it means where you have stopped, just proceed with what they want you to solve. They said we solve cos of this That means the whole of this one is equal to a half. We are going to say cot into a by 2 plus 45, we are getting a half. And we know a cot is the same as 1 over tan. So we are getting 1 out of tan into a by 2 plus 45 equals a half. Can we cross multiply? When you cross multiply, we are remaining with tan into a by 2 plus 45 equals 2. So how can I remain with a by 2? Is by taking a tan arc on both sides. So can we take tan arc on both sides so that at the end we come out with what has been requested? So take tan arc on both sides so that you can remain with an angle. We have got tan into a plus 45 out of 2 equals 2. Taking a tan arc, we are remaining with a tan arc of a plus 45 out of 2. Tan arc of this tan is the same as tan, even if I don't write again. I can even write it and say tan arc of tan of a plus 45 out of 2 equals the tan arc of 2. Tan arc of tan, we are remaining with a plus 45 out of 2 equals, can we get our calculator? We press the tan arc of a by 2. We said you say shift the button of tan of 2, we are getting 63.43. So our is 63.43 degrees. We go back to our quadrant system. We check where is tan lying. We said all are positive. That means the first one is 63.43 degrees. So where is tan positive? Tan is positive again here. So we are going to get that, we add. So we are going to say 180 plus that balance. We are going to say 180 plus 63.43. We are coming out with 243.43. So we are coming out with 243.4 degrees. So how can we, this is already, we are the one changing it. It is a by 2, not 45 by 2. Sorry for that. That was writing error. So can we remain with a by 2? It means on every figure we are subtracting, we're going to say 63.43 minus 45, 243.43 minus 45. So a by 2 equals, can we subtract 0 on our calculator? We are going to say 63.43 minus 45. We are coming out with 18.43, 243.43 minus 45. We are also coming out with 198.43. Can we get a alone? That means we're going to multiply by 2 on every side. We're going to say 2 into 18.43, 2 into 198.43. So what is a? Can we multiply? So times 2. This one is 396.86. So we are saying 2 times 18.43. 2 times 18.43. We are coming out with 36.86 degrees. So we follow our range. They said the range is from 0, let's go to angle A, let's go to 360 degrees. So want to look at that range. Which angle is lying? This one is beyond. So we said that far angle A equals 36.86 degrees according to our range. That's how we can try to do such kind of number.